Well, it's service time here on the farm. There's TJ, he's 34. Dylan, he's 21. Drew, he's 18. We're gonna check these combines over and get started here in a little bit. We're sowing wheat with this fertilized truck. We're sowing about 180 pounds to the acre. We'll come back over it and cover it in a little while. We harvested these beans yesterday. Well, it's harvest time here on the farm in Booneville, Mississippi, Huddleston Farms. And we got a load of grain there ready to go to market. And we're gonna be doing some soybeans today, and we're gonna plant some wheat. So we're gonna get started here after a while. We're covering that wheat with a cone vertical till disc we sowed this morning. And then we're following it with a bedder, and we're putting this wheat on 60-inch beds. That's what they look like when we get through. Then we'll go around the edge of the field with that cone and smooth it up a little bit where he's been turning. This is Troy, he drives truck for us. This is Trevor, he'll soon be 11 years old. He started driving the combine last year, but we don't let him drive unless there's an experienced operator in the cab. But these boys started riding. He's got a little brother that drives too. I'll have him in here in a minute. These boys started riding when they was infants. When it come time to let them in the seat, they didn't have to be shown hardly anything. Well, this is Tanner. Tanner will soon be 9 years old. He started driving combine last year also, and he just does a real good job to be so young. Like I said, these boys have been riding a long time. They don't have to be showed much. They just caught on just the quickest I ever seen children do. This right here is the future of farming. Around here too. Sun's in his face a little bit. But they can go to the truck and unload on the truck and everything. Well, it's time to change fields. Around here we have to go from one field to another. We do most of our field changing, 90% of it without taking the header off. All of our land's close together. Most of the time we just go down the road, got a truck in front and one behind, and most people. We're working on some flats today. We don't have many of them, but today we are working on some, and got about 150 acres that comes out of that bottom, and we call it flats. But that's what we're doing today. Maybe doing some more of them tomorrow. But we We don't dump on the go like some people. We usually just pull to the end of the field and dump. All of our beans were sowed with a fertilized truck this year. They're either covered with a Glencoe soil finisher or with that bitter like I was using on the wheat. Some of them was done on 30-inch beds and some of them was done on 16-inch beds. We hadn't harvested any of them done on 16-inch beds yet, but I might you to. Right here you can see we had to go back in and spot plant a few that drowned it out kind of. But this road next to me here is the road our headquarters is on and also where we live. This is a beautiful drive through here. Our land we farm goes up this road here for 5 miles, and there's a lot of beautiful homes, and everybody keeps it well maintained on this road, and a lot of beautiful hay fields and pasture land, and like I said, all of our crop land is up down through here, but just one patch. And they've always called south the Bible Belt. This is got a proof of it. In that 5 miles, there's 4 churches, and this is a wonderful Christian community. And I'm just blessed to be able to live here. Well, I started this video on Saturday, and my name is James Huddleston, and today's already Friday again, and today happens to be my birthday. I'm 66 years old. And I told my wife not to get me anything for my birthday. I already treated myself with a new set of tires for my big pickup. Anyway, I had that truck and that one left over from when I was in the fertilizer business several years ago, and I thought we'd put them back to some kind of use anyway. We haul dirt in the field with that one and use it for a grain buggy. And this one, I guess you could just say that's a 66-year-old man's toy. And them little boys really like it. They seem to think we're gonna go mud riding. And those 2 young boys are TJ and Tiffany's children. And they are mine and Shirley's grandchildren. And the 2 older boys are TJ's nephews. And truck driver Troy is my brother-in-law. Shirley is the secretary on our farm here, and she also gets parts and brings dinner when we're busy. There's another video to come, and just stay tuned for a minute. It's kind of hard to hold the phone and do a selfie video, but I'm checking this out to see how it works. I just want to thank God for giving me a second chance at life so I can farm. I really love farming, and I love to see these young boys interested in farming, and I just thankful to be able to do that again. 4 years ago I was diagnosed with stage 4 lymphoma, which is blood cancer. They say it was probably caused by these farm chemicals, and I just want to thank God again for giving the people and the doctors at MD Anderson the knowledge to take care of my problem. And I want to thank TJ Nix for taking care of my farm for the 3 years I was sick. I want to thank my wife for being my caregiver during that time. And I want to thank all my neighbors that chipped in and helped out during that time. When I got sick, TJ was an employee, and he done such a wonderful job. When I come back from Texas, I told him I wanted him to be my partner. So I appreciate all y'all watching this video, and thank you again. God bless. Bye. Well, we're in the field today. It's a little bit dusty. These are those old-timey Roundup Ready 1 soybeans, and they are just yielding really good. Somewhere in the neighborhood of a little over 40 bushels per acre. Looks like I may have planted a few too many. But this bottom we're in here is called Big Brown Bottom. The fields range in size from 20 acres, which is the size the field we in today, to 120. And that field next to me over there we cut yesterday was 80 acres. So it's pretty good land.